Hi, this is Saurav Mato. I have done BTech in computer science and I have done certification on A+, Microsoft, Cisco and Linux. In this session, I will be discussing about networking. Before starting the session, if you have not subscribed the channel till now, then subscribe now by pressing the red subscribe button below and press the bell icon for notification for upcoming video. So what is networking? Networking is a collection of computers, servers, mainframe, networking devices, peripherals or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing of data. So here the diagram that shows about the network. Here from the ISP is connected to the router, which has some IP address, and the router is connected to the computers, printers, mobile phones. Here each computer is assigned a IP address, which I will discuss in the next session along with the CIDR. So there are companies that provide the networking components. The major ones are Cisco, Netgear, TP-Link and Linksys. Among that, Cisco is used predominantly in most of the companies for networking. So here is the functioning of how a network works. Suppose there is there is a network in Hyderabad, and this is the Hyderabad office. Now it has to send the data to the Bangalore office. So how it can send the data? So when suppose a computer whose IP address is 10.0.0.3 wants to send the data to 20.0.0.2, it can be done like when the computer sends the data, it moves from the switch to router, and from router it moves to a modem, and from modem it goes to the ISP, which has a modem as well as MUX. The usage of modem and MUX is that it converts the digital signal into analog signal. So from the Hyderabad, the ISP, it is transferred to the Bangalore ISP with the help of MUX, and from there it is transferred to the modem, which is located in the Bangalore ISP, and from there it is transferred to the modem, which is connected to the Bangalore office. Now the function of the modem which is connected to the Bangalore office is that from the ISP, whatever the signal is coming, it's in the form of the analog signal. It's converted to the digital signal, and from there it is transferred to the router, and from there it's to the switch, and to the computer with whom the Hyderabad office wants to communicate with the Bangalore office. Now let's see what is computer network. So a computer network is a collection of computing devices connected in various ways in order to communicate and share resources. It can be connected with the help of wire or wirelessly. Now this is the diagram that shows about the home network. From ISP it is I connected to the router. From router it connected to the hub. It is also connected to the wireless access point. Now let's see what are the types of network. So there are three types of network: local area network, wide area network, and a metropolitan area network. So what is LAN? LAN is a local area network. It is used to connect networking devices that are in a very close geographical areas, such as floor of a building, building itself, or a campus environment. Now, what is WAN? WAN, or wide area network, is used to connect the multiple LANs together. WANs are used when the LAN that must be connected are separated by large distance. For example, a country, a continent, or even the whole world. Now the other type of WAN are what we use nowadays are 3G and 4G. Is also example of wide area network. Metropolitan area network, or MAN. It is a hybrid of LAN and WAN. For example, a telephony company network that can provide a high-speed DSL line to the customer, or the cable TV network in a city. Now, what is a gateway? A gateway is just a hardware device that acts as a gate between two networks. So the gateway can be switch, or it can be a router, or a firewall, or even a server that enables traffic to flow in and out of the network. Like suppose I have a two networks which is connected with a gateway. Now if PC3 of one network which has a IP address of 10.0.0.5 wants to communicate with 20.0.0.4, it can communicate with the help of the gateway. Now for the practicals which is done on Cisco Packet Tracer will take a time duration of 1.5 years, and for the live practicals which is done for 3 months as IT support. Thank you, and support me eGuru Computer Center.